Hubble laid the groundwork that you can do things in space with a telescope that wasn't planned to do that observation. We have pushed the instruments to a level that wasn't expected, even by the people who built the instrument. Hubble has made huge advances in this field of planets orbiting other stars. And in particular, Hubble made the first discovery of an atmosphere around another planet outside of our solar system.
For the first time in history, we were studying the chemical composition of other planets. And of course, that really is the bright future of extrasolar planets, learning their nature and especially whether they have signs of life on them.
If there were no Hubble, we would have known from some of these repetitive measurements on the ground that there are planets orbiting other stars, but most of the ones known would be very close into the star, closer than Mercury is to the Sun, which means that they're very hot planets, not places you'd care to visit.
We learned a lot about the outer solar system from the Voyager flybys in the mid-1980s, but they really gave us just a quick snapshot of planets that turn out to be really very dynamic. Hubble has provided some of the most spectacular imaging of outer planets that we've been able to get, aside from sending a spacecraft there. Its fabulous resolution allows us to see details in the cloud patterns. It allows us to study the moons and the ring systems of these outer planets with unprecedented detail. It's really been a workhorse for the Outer Solar System astronomy program.
We know that the galaxy is there based on a ground-based picture, but it's a blob. Hubble is able to take pictures of the galaxy, and not only a single picture, but sharp pictures at a whole bunch of different wavelengths. And every wavelength has a different story to tell. Hubble will be remembered for discovering black holes in nearby galaxies, taking the first high-resolution pictures of the early universe, and I think for many contributions on star formation.
We as scientists should learn from the Hubble experience that it's very important to communicate to the public what we do. And Hubble has done a really good job at that. I mean, it's easy because they're stunning pictures, but there's also a lot of work that goes into that.
In some perverse way, Hubble's impact has been heightened by the fact that it went through trouble. That brought it to the public's attention, and the fix was dramatic and involved a human interest element that makes the telescope larger than life. It's more than just a telescope for the average person. It also becomes a symbol of American know-how.